Hola, Señora Vaz, with instructions for today. Today, for our actividad inicial, that I hope you already did and finished because you're supposed to do it in the first 5 minutes of the class, it says you saw some of the contents you will be learning this term because we were creating our content page for these 6 weeks. Type 1 expression used to greet in Spanish in the box provided below. So you have to go to your content page and find one expression on how to say hi, how to greet, and just type it in the text entry box provided here. You see it from the student's perspective. It's going to show you here that it has start assignment. You just click there. And it says text entry, so you just need to type your answer right there. And then click submit assignment and we're done. Let's leave the student view. Okay, today says please be sure that you finish the work from last class before you start today's plan. I'm going to check your work today. Then he says greetings in a Spanish video. So you're going to watch this video that I put here. In that video, you can learn how to greet someone in Spanish. So I'm going to play the video in the class so you can see it. Then you're going to copy these notes that I put here on a piece of paper that you're going to put in your binder, and we're going to start organizing our binder. You're going to write the expressions. Once you copy these notes, you're going to write the examples of the expressions, and you're going to use different colors. These are the expressions that we have. The examples on how to greet in Spanish that we're taking from the video. You're just going to write them on the paper once you finish copying these notes. So today's work is only to copy the notes. You're going to watch the video with me. Then you're going to copy the notes, and you're going to copy these expressions, and then you're going just to Quizlet, where you can practice the words and learn them. And at the end, we're going to play Quizlet Live. It's what it says here. You do not have a homework. You just have classwork. If you don't finish during the class, then you have a homework because you have to finish your homework, your classwork at home. So you have homework. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you later. Adios.